Python tutorial series. My name is Daneyal and today I'll discuss about a few concepts which are related to the function. One is called the nested function and second one is called non-local variable. So first of all, understand that what is a nested function. So a function defined inside a function is called a nested function. So far we have defined a function like by using the def keyword. So if I define a function that is called outer func, and here if I define a function, just look at here, I'm defining another function that is inside the body of this function. So this function is called the nested function. So yes, in Python it is possible and it is permissible that you can define a function within a function. So that is called a nested function or inner function. So def, and here I can write inner function. Okay, so this is called inner function, and the inner function can access yes, inner function can have its own variable and its own body, its own logic, and outer function can have also its own variable. For example, if I define message is equal and hello, this is okay. So this is the local variable for the outer function. So inner function can access uh, the variables within can access the variables of the enclosing scope. Enclosing scope means since this inner function is enclosed within this outer function scope, so it can access this message also. So just look at here, let me show you. That is print, and here I'm writing one message, greeting from inner function, and after that I'm printing the inner function greeting, and I'm calling this function inner. Just look at here. Okay, so inner function is calling inside the outer function. Just look at here that I'm calling this function, and outer function I'm calling here. So you can see that greeting from inner function, and it's printing the hello. So it means this is 100% possible in Python that we can define a function inside a function. Why I'm discussing about the inner function and non-local variable? Because we are going to cover for a few more advanced topics in Python, in which I'll cover about the closures and decorators. So which are the advanced topic of the Python. So to better understand those topics, we have to understand that what is the meaning of the closure and why do we use the closure in our application. So in closure I'll discuss into the next video tutorial. Okay, one more thing. So I hope this inner function definition is clear. One more thing you can do here, that and remember this one, this message, since this message variable is declared inside this outer function, so this message variable is not writable by this inner function, means it is not updatable by the inner function. What is mean by this? If I define the message, look at here, another variable, that is message is equal, and if I write hi, so just look at here the output. So yes, output is fine. So maybe you get confused that we are updating the value of message that is declared in outside of this function. No, actually this message variable is a local variable of this inner function. So if you want to see, then you can see here, if I print after calling the inner function, I'm printing that greeting, or I can write outer message. Outer message, what is outer message? So let me print that, this one. So look at the definition of this whole function one more time. This message variable is declared inside the outer function. So I'm trying to update the value of this message variable inside the inner function, and now I'm calling this inner function. So if this function will call, then message will be updated. So look at we'll see that what is the output of this whole code. So just look at here, greeting from inner function is printing hi, and outer is printing hello. It means this variable is not updatable by this inner function. So this is called read only for this inner function. And why this happened? Because if you have the same name as you have declared in the outer function and the inner function, so local, this variable will become local. So local will have the higher accessibility precedency. So this message variable will be accessed into the inner function. Now if the requirement is that we want to update this outer function's variable inside the inner function, then we use the non-local keyword. Okay, so how to use this one? Just look at here. I'm writing first of all non-local, and after that you will define the variables that you want to update. So first of all, write only the variable name, don't assign anything, and after that you will write message is equal hi. Okay, so now look at this output. Then you can see here that inner function also printing the hi, and when I'm accessing into the outer function, I'm getting the hi. It means the inner function is now able to update this value. Okay, so this is called the non-local variable. If you want to update the outer function's variable, local variable inside the inner function, then you have to first of all declare that variable by using non-local keyword. Then you can do this. So I hope the concept of the inner function and local non-local variable is clear. I'll cover a few more things in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching this video. I hope the concepts are clear. Please like, comment and share your views, share the videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.